Hi guys, I'm Siddesh and this is the video I'll be talking on what's the plan for me, what I'll be doing. Okay, so the thing is, I'll compart things in two things. One is a video formats or a video notes. For the example for this is ki I'll create on Instagram and I'll create on YouTube. And for writings, uh, I love to write when have been writing on Twitter since 1.5 2 years now. But then thought about basically to reach to masses and or use methods to do so. Twitter is a thing. I'll be completing my 100 tweets today. It's a good thing. Last 30, 40, 30, 20 to 30 tweets have been uh, my observations on creator economy and how are we basically putting up or behaving while using social platforms like Instagram or Instagram, Facebook. Facebook is not used among people below 30, or this is the ratio basically 30 35. Below these people are basically on Instagram. And after that age, after 30 35 people, like I think they're not millennials completely, but they are on Facebook. So these are the platforms. What are the trends, or what are we choosing to, or what are we doing while scrolling? What's the psychology basically? Ki while scrolling up the reels and or uh, or going through YouTube videos. These are the long form, of course, but dopamine based. Instagram is more about hitting our nerves, and actually it gives us a kind of thing ki we are it's basically a dopamine. We are in rush. We don't have we actually someone who is creating have to is playing with our attention. That's the thing. That's the main thing with Instagram. And I'm not able to uh, put up things. This was in the top of my mind. Okay, so this is it. And for video notes, as I said, YouTube is a thing and Instagram is a thing. And for writing, I have things like Twitter, which I said I've been doing it. Now Substack is a thing. I just recently created my Substack account. So what I have observed is Substack is all about basically uh, to reaching to a consumer basically. As a writer or as a account on Instagram or on Substack, you have to basically Substack is a thing where you can write. There is no word limit as on Twitter. It's a word limit of around 300 words, I think. But Substack, there's no word limit, and there's this thing ki uh, there is a thing like notes and posts. Sorry. Notes is basically like Twitter only. You just put up things in uh, basically a sentence and you try to convince. But on posts, you can write a blog, and for that blog, when if I mention my Substack, Substack account link on Instagram and someone opens it, basically if he will open it, when he'll open it, he'll get up a he'll get up a landing page which says ki write your mail. So as a creator and as a consumer will put up his mail, or because it's the only detail he can put up. There's no contact detail like phone number. So he'll put up his mail, and I'll get the mail, and I'm backing this thought with Nuzar said this thing on a podcast which is of Nikhil Kamath, how to build influence. Basically, Nuzar from Nas Daily, Tanmay Bhatt, Prajakta Kohli, mostly same, and Ranveer Alabadia. These I appreciate these guys. I have learned so much from them. So Nas said this thing ki you have to own your audience basically, and platforms don't want you to do so. and it's so good thing that it's so good that pl- platforms don't want, I mean, in the sense uh, ki YouTube is not, YouTube is showing the data that what's your analytics or what's the thing, but YouTube doesn't gives you a mail of or a contact details by which you can directly reach out to a consumer, right? Instagram, same with Instagram, same with Twitter. But when you do so, and when you basically, there are tactics. So this is the thing, this is the basic thing with Substack. And I basically, what I'll be doing is ki I'll I've been tweeting. I love to write short, crisp things, direct to the point, and I'll be just demonstrating or expanding it in a blog. I don't know how a blog is wrote. Uh, I'll get my hands on it soon either. Uh, okay, so this is with blogs. This is with Substack. Medium is also a thing. Now Medium is complete a full stack blog where you write on things, huge things, and these blogs articles are very huge. Like Medium is a separate app for this, and I think Substack uh, on is basically, I don't think it's launched recently, but yeah, it's launched recently, I think. And Medium is from a long time. Twitter is from a long time, and yeah, I mentioned these apps: uh, Substack, and Medium. Now, fourth one is LinkedIn. Uh, the thing is, you have to, as a creative, anyone, you need to have a great LinkedIn account, a good LinkedIn, a sober LinkedIn account where your things are put up in a crisp. Basically, someone can know you completely on that basis. So LinkedIn is that thing, and uh, I want to work on my LinkedIn basically, but I don't have, I didn't created anything yet, or I to put up there, so we're not active on it now. This is the thing with writings. Now, uh, what's on the top of my head basically, so very optimistic. I am doing these things. uh, it's so good that I'm loving this, and YouTube is just to put up things in a video format, and that what things are going and what are the things basically. And yeah, this is the main course. Okay, again, I want to I want to start up. I I want to start my own thing, of course. Not of course, but I want to do it soon either. But now I have realized I have been playing it since 4 months. I just was. We can say I wasted up 4 months. It was, I wanted to start building things directly by reaching out to VCs and uh, get the funds on completely on the basis of ideation. But it's hard. So what I'll be doing is I'll be completely focusing on content thing, and yeah, doing it, learning things, learn AI, and how I'll build a cash flow, because to bring in money is so important, is too important now. Yeah, this is the thing, and I think this was the thing, was is in top of my head currently. And yeah, I'll be doing this. This is going to be fun. This was a kind of introduction to, but yeah, that's what the plan is, to build a portfolio, to build basically identity. I basically create an identity, uh, and to know, for people to know me, that who am I. And portfolio in the sense ki to show my work, or how because at the end, who are we at the individual level, or individual level, or the foundation basis? Because at last we all are humans, right? Need to collaborate. I need to team up with people. Now I've been building relations since long, and this is the great time, or the best time I have had so good relations with people, friends, colleagues, or who I'll be working with. uh, and yeah, loving, nurtured love. So there's so that understanding in the relation, I can't imagine. I'm feeling so great by my side, and I get the response from the other two, because yeah, it's important, uh, because when we clap, it's important to get a clap from both the sides. Yeah, this was it. Build relations. Yeah, reading, also doing a lot of things, but I'll put up those things in the other video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is for the nodes. I know uh, no one's gonna click on this. This is for me. This is for me. When I'll see this back, I know this thing, and I'm going to continue this. I am going to continue this for sure. uh, I'll be making a video every day, and this is going to be fun. Day 15th, day 20 is going to be fun, because I just realized so much things yesterday itself by one video. So what I'll get so much from 15 videos or 20 videos. The 20th video, of course, will be better than second video. So this is the thought. Thank you so much. I'm enjoying this. Love you. Love you. Thank you so much.